Axial SMT10. All right, Gravedigger Edition. Really cool, pretty truck here. Really, this thing is pretty fun. This is actually the Gen 1 edition. This is not the upgraded version that's come out recently. Upgraded to the 17mm hex. It's got a 4S capable brushless setup in it. But want to be able to use it a little bit more. And so a couple things that we're going to do to it today. We're going to put in these Vanquish hubs on the ends here. Did these on the Wraith. Really love doing it on the Wraith because they actually helped. Them plus universal drive shafts in here really helped with steering angle. Well, more steering angle on this truck would be awesome. I would definitely agree with that. It doesn't have the most as it sits. I don't have the universals for it today. I just have these end hubs, so we're going to go ahead and put those on there. But we also have a limit, which is if we steer too much, the tire just hits this link anyway. And so we're going to put those on. While we're here, we're actually going to put these axle tubes on also. So axle tubes are really great, cost-effective ways to beef up the strength of these axles so that you don't break them if you're doing any kind of jumps or anything like that. Typically, we would be using beef tubes. Beef Tubes brand, they make them in brass, they make them in steel, I think they make them in aluminum. And I have the steel beef tubes in my Wraith. Really like them. I think they're great. Can't find them in stock anywhere, so we ended up with these. I believe they're Ghoul RC brand. You can find them on Amazon. They're pretty cheap, and they're a tube of steel. So these are supposed to be stainless, so they should do the job of really strengthening up that tube, adding a little bit of a weight down low, which is not really needed in the monster truck. We're going to put them both front and rear